this for such a long time. You bought a new boat, and you got that big van with the bowling paddles and...
Have you given it what we talked about? You know, moving in.
Yes. Oh, yes, very much.